All right, here we are in Logan, New Mexico, and every tape is here watching the storm go up. Maybe that's our storm, but it's where it went up yesterday on the 24th. Maybe I'll do it again. It's crazy. That is.
What's the time lapse? The time lapse in the bubble.
I know, I should be. Left one going up. Look at that, Elias in there.
I saw your.
Raging updraft. Stormfront freaks in the house. Emphasis on the freak. Here's Phil looking like he's gonna go to the beach here in a second. Are you storm chasing or going to the beach? It's
on the ground.
We got our first storm of the day here northwest of Logan. A nice base on it. The storm is looking pretty good right now, really wrapping up. This is great. Wow, well, we've got a nice supercell here. This is great looking, high based, but really nice structure. Right, looking right into the vault. Hoping I get 300 frames. Beautiful looking into the vault here. Look at that on the right. Wow. That was great. Nice lightning on this. Nice supercell for a little bit. Really flat now, flowy, but very pretty. A lot of lightning, a lot of flashing.